of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was not just any leader, he was the very first Prime Minister of independent India. You might have heard people affectionately calling him Chacha Nehru. Do you know why? It's because he had a special place in his heart for children. In fact, we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day in India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a remarkable individual in many ways. First and foremost, he was an excellent leader. He guided our country during crucial times when we were just beginning our journey as an independent nation. His leadership helped us shape the future of India. Thank you.